Hi boys and girls, so excited to be able to connect with you again today and so excited to be doing another week of science. So this week we're going to be learning about our 5 senses. We're going to put everything that we've learned about so far together using our 5 senses. We've learned already a lot about trees, the parts of the trees, and even living and non-living things. So what are our 5 senses and how do we use them? Let's find out.
Boys and girls, the first sense is our sense of sight. Your sense of sight is what you see. We used our sense of sight when we were observing the trees and seeing what color they were, what shape they were. We also used our sense of sight when we were doing our experiment and observing to see if the leaf could breathe and we were seeing the bubbles come out. Another sense is our sense of touch. Your sense of touch is what you feel different items and how they feel like. For example, in this picture here, we see 2 little puppies. If I used my sense of touch, I would pat the puppies and they would feel soft. Here we have a table. I could feel the table and the table feels smooth. There are many ways and things of how something can feel. Then we have our sense of smell. Sometimes our sense of smell helps us know what's cooking in the kitchen. If mom and dad are making popcorn, we can smell the popcorn. Sometimes our sense of smell helps us know when danger's around. If we smell smoke, we know that's danger and we need to walk away. And sometimes the sense of smell helps us smell really beautiful things like perfume and this beautiful flower the girl is smelling. Boys and girls, another sense is our sense of sound. The sense of sound helps us to listen to many things. Let's see if you can guess, what is this using your sense of sound? If you guessed rain, then you were correct. That was the sound of rain. Boys and girls, see if you can guess what sound this is. If you guessed baby, you were correct. That was the sound of a baby. Our last sense is the sense of taste. The sense of taste helps us to see the different kinds of foods and their flavors. So for example, in our first picture, we have a picture of an apple. When you eat an apple, the apple tastes sweet. The next picture, we have a picture of salt. So salt makes food salty. In this third picture, we have a picture of peppers. And peppers have you taste food that is spicy. And in our last picture, it's a picture of lemon. And lemons make your food and drinks sour.
Boys and girls, I hope you learned so much about your 5 senses. Now you're going to get to experiment with your leaves that you picked up this week and you brought to class with you, and you're going to experiment the 5 senses with your leaves and your teacher. Get ready to share and have so much fun in science class today.